Everyone, I'm Nancy Ann,
Anastasia.
and here we are. So, we're part of the collab of the 4 R's: reduce, recycle, reuse, and repair. So, why is that important to you?
I can make wonderful stuff with it.
You can make wonderful stuff with it.
Here, I'll show you something.
So,
a pipe cleaner and bells.
Okay,
Some small bells I found in the basement, and some pipe cleaner I found in the basement.
So, what are the 4 R's would that be?
Reduce, reuse, recycle, re-happy.
So, reduce, reuse, recycle, repair. The reason why it's important to me is because it's kind of how I grew up. We always reused everything. My grandmother, if we used a paper towel, she would dry the paper towel out so she could use it over again. Especially when it comes to when it came to old towels or old t-shirts or whatever, it was always cut up and used as rags. So that was one thing. They reused old clothes and everything. We repaired everything at the house. Even now, we try to repair as much as possible to a point. So we live in a townhouse, and so there's some things that we just don't repair. That's because we rent. But what we can repair, we do. Now reuse and recycle. So I have a couple of examples. So this is an empty sriracha hot sauce bottle. Is it still hot stuff in there? Well, I washed it out, rinsed it out. You can put ketchup in here. You could put, if you buy like the big containers of ketchup and mustard and everything, and you don't have a squirt bottle, guess what? We use this. Put your ketchup in there, your mustard, mayonnaise, any kind of sauce, and you can just have it ready anytime.
Can I show the use of reuse?
Yes, you can show use of reuse.
I used a black twist tie thing and a Lego and made a necklace for one of my stuffies. What? Luigi, this is your necklace.
So there she goes.
This is your necklace, Luigi.
I'm telling you, if it can be a little piece of paper, she is going to use it some kind of way or another.
Or this bow I found.
The bow you found? Another example, plastic. No, we throw it away. We don't have that much room. Not Anastasia. I can use that. I know I have an idea I can use that with. So we're going through trying to figure out different things, so with limited space, we can, save some things we just can't because of limited space. But we really tried as much as to recycle and reuse things, repair things as much as we can.
I'm trying to show an example.
You're going to show an example?
Yeah.
And reuse. I'm trying to think of something else that we, besides this. Something I reuse all the time is my canning jars. So if after I use certain ones to do my lotions in, and then definitely once I've canned something, I use that jar. It gets clean and rinsed, put aside until I get some more and reuse it again so I can have more canned food. You got something?
Yeah.
So she's going to show you an example of what she has.
I made something.
Go ahead.
I made a boat out of popsicle sticks, pipe cleaners, twine, glue, and foam.
So this foam is craft foam that she had left over. So she used that.
And then I made a boat made out of popsicle sticks.
Popsicle sticks. Now, were those ones bought from the store or something that you had popsicle on and you ate it?
These were ones brought from the store.
They were bought from the store. But still, again, she used it. And instead of wasting anything as far as the string and all, because we have used string for something else, she used that string to make her boat. So,
and you know how some people, how they use the twist ties in like a Kroger or a Whole Foods, and then they get to the home, they untie the bags, and they just throw the twist ties away? Not me.
So what do you use them for?
Well, a few days ago we went to the park. I used one of the twist ties to make the rock from the park look like a present.
There you go.
Not the rock from the park we went to today, a few days ago.
Oh, okay, a few days ago.
Some people are really nice. A little girl there at the creek gave me this she found. And while me and Dad were walking in the river, we found a piece of the bridge. I told Mommy, give me the piece of the bridge. I gave the piece of the bridge to her. Her name was Zoe. She was super, super nice.
Oh my goodness. So there you go. Showing other people about the 4 R's.
The 4 R's. Reduce, reuse, repair, recelebrate. Recelebrate.
So a fact about the 4 R's is, we see it every day. If you're going down the street and there's trash on the road, it was just simple just to wait till you get to the gas station or something to throw it away. Perfect example, when I went to the doctor, go have my surgery, they had a trash can there, recycle and trash. So just to keep, going into the water stream or into our oceans and everything, to me it's important to throw your trash away, part of recycling. It's just that easy, just to pick it up and put it where it belongs. So it can be used for something else, it can be reused again. I remember growing up, we used to have a shop called a Soda Pop, and even the grocery stores, your soda, your Pepsi and everything all came in glass bottles, and you always took it back to the store where you got it from, and they would write on a sticky note, but they had cards, and you got so many cents for whatever you bought in, so it could go back to whatever, it would be Pepsi Cola or Coca-Cola or whoever. They washed those out, recycled them, and used them again. People didn't know that's what they were doing, but I knew. So it's been going on for a long time. So there you go. If you, think of anything, something in your house, rinse it out, use it again, and just keep it going. So there you go. If you haven't,
hang on.
Like, subscribe, that bell for notifications. Just a minute. What you doing over there?
I'm writing something.
She is writing something. So, something else, you can read yarn. Yarn, if you have yarn, you can use that to do all kinds of things. Especially if you're crocheting and you don't have a marker, you can make jewelry with it. You can use it as a stitch marker.
Jewelry.
So there we go. She used this yarn.
I did resin with my mom. I made a resin heart piece. I made a resin heart, and there, fits us.
Huh.
Here's my blue paper. It says like, sub, and a little bell.
There you go. You heard it from the boss.
The boss.
Like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time
on our treasured home.